Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about the SSO, AWS SSO and role-based access. I have already created AWS organization account, adding OU creation, adding account, password and resetting, right? And this is already created, okay? So this is the lab one. Second lab is AWS SSO, setup identity center and permission set. These are two the interview questions, right? If you are a beginner, so just go through my IAM three already labs, right? Hands-on labs for IAM role, policy and all, right? So just go through. I will discuss about the AWS SSO. So let's start. Okay. And I'm assuming like you have already gone through this video. Okay. So let's start first. Yeah, this is the first video. Okay. And as you know, my organization had 4536, right? This is my organization. And this account is already created in my first video, this account, right? I have created testing account as well. Okay, one more account. So basically process is same, right? Like as a sandbox. Okay, I did not do any policies, anything, right? If we are talking about any SCP and all, right, I didn't do anything. Okay, I did not create any policy, whatever the this is by default. Let me remove immediately. Okay, I'll come later on the SCP part, right? So this is already created, and service control policies, right? AWS managed policies, right? And these already guardrail will come, right? No issues about that, right? So let's discuss about the organizations and all. So how we will access the role basis access, right? Okay. I'll show you end to end demo. There is nothing like that, and with along with the interviews question, right? So we just need to create IAM. Initially it was AWS SSO. Okay, now it got changed and it is the name is IAM Identity Center. Okay, now name is changed. I have opened. This is my master account. I do not need to tell this again and again. I hope you guys is aware about that. This is my master account. Root master. This is my master account. I had a two accounts. This account demo video already created, and this one is I have created just for the this video. So I would like to use I have to create a user, and I would like to use these as per the role based access. Okay, so let's come how to create the users. Identity center, IAM identity center. This is the managed service, right? And we can create a user group settings. AWS account will come, right? So first of all, I will tell you what users. One major part is that these user is not IAM user. Okay, this is simply asked by the people, right? These user is not IAM user. I am telling you. Okay, these are the SSO perspective, right? Only this account it has a IAM user. Okay, so there is no like that. These are the SSO one, right? I hope this is clear, and frequently it is asked. So I have created this user. This is my registered account. Okay, main account is registered with this email ID. Okay, so no worry, this is only one created. How to create a user, I am just going to recreate in front of you. And how to permission set work. Permission set I have already, I think, created. Group I have already created, but I will tell you each and everything. Okay, so let me go through about AWS account. Like you can get the AWS account list and all, right? Okay, this is the look like. And hold for a moment. Okay guys, I have deleted a Kumar user, so I will explain in the same, right? And this is I need to create a user which we do have a two accounts. Initially I will provide this account access, and later on I will show you in the same scenario. Okay, so I would need to create a user, and I would need to create a group, right? Group already I have created. This is the operator group, but I will delete this group as well. basically permission set I have created, and I will show you about all these things. Okay, so what happened, I'm going to create a head user, right, and it will ask about something, right? Kumar, I'm just adding Kumar name, right? Either you can use one time password, but I do not want to use one time password, and I just need to email is required, and whenever you are going to this username by this user, not email. Okay, this is, and let me fill up the information. Okay, and I will add it, Kumar is a username, and let me stop for a moment. Again it started. I have just hide the email ID. Okay, it is a similar, right? Email ID I have hide. So this is the name. Contact method, it will ask about your phone number and all. Whatever you want to give, you can give, right? It is the optional address and all, right? So click on next. Okay, and now you need to create a user, right? Basically we haven't created a user, right? So we do not want to create any user group, right? Next, and add user, right? It will add it, right? So basically this is coming just because of this, right? I want to show you, right? This will come. Kumar is a username and one time password, right? Because I have shared one time password. Okay, so I'm just stopping and adding this, right, in my notepad. Guys, I have copied, so I'm just going to close it, but before that I would like to add some things, right? Now, Kumar is created. Now under the user section, what we need to create group. If you have any, you don't have a group and I am user, so I have already created. I am under the I am playlist 2 3 videos, so you can go through. These are the scratched. Okay, I would need to create a group, right? Because I want to give as per the group, like operator group. So it is not admin, this is the operator group. And which user I would like to add? This, and then create group. Now question will next come, right? Group is has been successfully created, and this is the operator, right? And what is inside the operator? User, AWS account, no. So let me do, okay, yeah, that is fine. Up to that, right? This is the under the group we do have operator group. Okay, let me go about the settings. Let me tell you, while we were creating the users, right, and whatever this is URL, from which URL I am going to log in Kumar user. So this is here itself. Okay, we do have some additional. If you want to create a new user, I have created Kumar user. If you want to send email OTP of our user created from API and all these things, so you need to configure MFA. You can also like configure MFA, like never, every time they single in, always on, right? Because any user is going to log in, so they should have a MFA configured. So you can here click the settings, right, and they can able to, but I am not going to configure MFA because I have already created IAM video for MFA, so you can go through. And apart that, management and tax, right? Let's come up, this is also a question asked, where we need to configure MFA for the identity, IAM identity center. So this is and OTP one question is always, right? And session setting, if you want like identity managed session for AWS CLI, so you can also go through AWS CLI and IAM role videos, right? I have already created for that, right? And this is the detailed things, right? And next we are coming to AWS account. So these are the accounts, and let me tell you, I have assigned the operator group, and inside the operator, who have access? Okay, let me tell you, I think you have missed something, right? Let me tell you permission set first, okay? So, what is the permission set? Permission set define the level of the access that user in an identity center have to their assigned AWS account. Okay, so that's why I disconnected this. So I would like to create a identity center, right? I mean permission set. This is the very frequently asked question for the senior peoples, right? Okay, how to manage? Usually this is the part of the build, right? So organization full access, AWS administrator, read only. You need to create this and create permission set, okay? Using this, right? And if you want like I want AWS read only, right? Let me do. This is I selected, and one more thing I would like to tell, because okay, because why this is coming and where we can see this is AWS organization managed, right? Let me see, because these are the AWS organization managed 3 year ago, right? Which is coming, but where we can see this, like what is exactly, because this is created by me, right? To be very honest, but how can we identify it is created by me, right? So I'm just about to tell you these, right? Just hold for a moment. Anyway, already permission set is read only access, right? Here I mean I have already deleted, which is 19 hours, which was created by me, right? Okay, let me create in front of you. If you would like to select anyone, right, and then create, so these are the by default. But I would like to tell, very clear, how to create without this permission set. Permission set is the level of the access that user in the IAM identity center. Inside the IAM, like Kumar is the inside the identity. Okay, let me tell you how. Create permission set and custom permission set, right? Yeah, predefined. Let me tell you what administrator, billing, database, and all, right. Power user is also predefined. Okay, what is the power user? Power user basically had a full access of AWS services, but they are not able to manage IAM user and groups. Okay, so that is the different read only and all, right. I would say like database administrator. Okay, if we are going for that predefined, but custom, you can do custom permission set and provide whatever the AWS managed policy, right? Whatever you want. Like I want EC2 full access, EC2 full access. Okay, and usually we can use customer managed policy. Okay, and provide this. I'm going for next, right? Enter a permission set, EC2 full access. Okay, this is the permission set name. I'm telling you, uh, and you can session duration. If someone want to assume, right, this, right, next, and it will create, right, EC2 full access. This is the permission set. But how to assign this users and all, right? Okay, so if you would like account, so which account do you want to add and all, right? So let me stop for a moment and I'll tell you. This permission set is created. If you want, I would like to add one more thing, right? And this is the thing, right? If you want to add policies, AWS managed policies, so you can add it here, right? If you want some customer managed policies, right? And if you want inline and permission boundary, each and everything is in place, right? So you can add it inside the already created permission set. Now the next point, how to assign this permission set to the account, right? Yeah, how to do that, right? So go to the AWS account. Okay, AWS account will come as a organization, which is first part video I have created, And now how to assign users? This is the way. And either you can assign the user specifically and group basically thing. If you have 100 users, so it's not like a good way. So we can create a group. An operator group we have already added Kumar user, right? While we are creating. After creating, I think we did that. Next, which permission set? EC2 permission set need to be assigned. And again click next. Account already selected from AWS organization. So we can assign a specific permission set inside the OU and a specific account. So this is the feasibility, okay? It will ask, the people will ask this type of the things, right? And what is this? Configuring your AWS account. This is configured, okay? And this is EC2 full access permission set is coming. Okay, I don't think so. 2-3 year back video this is coming or not, because I was not able to remember this permission set directly coming here, because now I think it has a feature. But we can use, we can see from here itself. Go to the this, and this is the thing, right? Will come. Let me refresh, and this is coming. Okay. And sometime it's happened, this is the issues we have assigned proper permission set in front of you. This is not replicated, okay? Sometime it's happened, this is not issue, so just click and update. So whatever the new policies you are going to attach with the permission set immediately impacted, okay? I'm just asking this question, okay? This permission set, uh, sorry, this you have attached here, this permission set EC2 full access, and you have attached multiple permission, but it is not impacting, okay? Go there, okay, and go and update directly. Nothing, you just need to do anything. It's just going to show you up to date, right? Nothing more than that. So this is usually comes, right? Issue will come, and this is the thing, right? Now how we can use this account has this Kumar user. How I'm telling you little bit, explain little more about this, right? Because in the operator, if we are going to operator na, so user in this group, who is the user? Kumar, right? Or you know about that, how we can log in, okay? So we do have a, in front of you, right? We do have a, like let me stop for a moment and I'll show you how. Okay guys, this is the link when we have created this. Okay, now we have to log in through this, right? And we are going Control Shift N. It is a non, and I have just created this user at the start of the video, and I'm just going to use SSO. How to SSO will work, right? Sorry, today I'm having a little cold. So what is the username? Here we do not need to provide. When I was creating user, I told you. So this is through this it is coming. I have user created Kumar. So we need to do Kumar, and we just need to do password. So this is the password I will create. I will delete this user after this, because sign in, and it will ask you about the reset your password, okay? Two, one, two. Okay, and SSO will come in front of you, right? Which account we have provided access, this, okay? EC2 full access, this is the permission set name, okay? And just go for this, right? And this is look like AWS SSO EC2 role, right? This is the full access. Okay. Now I'm able to log in this account. Okay. Let me tell you this role itself, right? If I can help you regarding this permission. Okay. I am. This is my primary account. Okay. And oh, sorry, not this. Let me stop for a moment. Okay, guys, I have already provided EC2 access, right? I'm just going to provide IAM full access as well, and then I'll show you. Let me stop for a moment. In the primary EC2 full access, right? Permission set. I'm just going to add a test policy. IAM full access. Okay, IAM full access, and attach the policy. Okay, and this is already attached, and do one thing, this up to date. Okay, so going for again this access, right? And let me tell you, this is easy to full access, and this is the naming, right? Like it is coming, and how we can identify 6711. Let me little bit more explain this as a rule. And if you have see my uh, assume rule IAM policy video, so I think you can easily. So this is to full access, and IAM full access. In the main account I have provided, let me tell you, control. This is the main account. Okay, this is the account ID is 453. Here it is a master account. Okay, and this is IAM EC2 full access and all right. But how assume SSO will work? Let me tell you. Okay, this type of the deep, they are using federated ARN 6711 SAML provider AWS. Yeah, this do not delete. Where it is AWS SAML provider. Okay, and here it is identity provider. This is the they created. Okay, this do not delete, because in case of the SSO this need to be created internally. Okay, this is the element, and in case of the XML I will show you if I can get. Okay, no, I will tell you how to add provider to SAML and OpenID connect. OpenID usually we can use for EKS and all, right? Okay, SAML provider name, enter a meaningful identity through this provide, and one metadata document do, and we have to need it. Okay, just adding little bit, and let me do. And this is the user. Once again I'm just sorry, role. By default in my first application I've told you, whenever we are adding any account, so these need to be created. This is the SSO role for SSO, and here itself this is the service STS assume role, and action this is like allowed, and on this service. Okay, and one more thing I'll tell you. Let me stop for a moment. How we are able to do that, right? Okay, so this is the role, right? And next, done. Organization account access role. When in a first video when we have created account, so this is automatically coming. You can go through my first video. This is the second one. Okay, and this account itself had a ARN of 4536. 45 is my master account where I have AWS organization, and this account so we can able to assume. So how SSO is working internally, if you are not able to understand these things, I have created one more video, AWS IAM assume role. So then go first and then come to this, right? This like, so you can understand easily, right? So role based part is done, right? How we can do that. And let me sign out this, right, and go for the next part, right? Like setting, I think I have already explained. And guys, if you like this video, kindly do share and subscribe, because it will keep me motivated to create a more uh, completed end-to-end videos, right? Basically, why I have explained how AWS SSO is working. That's why if something is like a role assuming, and how these things is working, so uh, that's why I have explained in a very wide way, right? And if you want, like I would like to create, right, group, right? Let me tell you, it's a for a moment only. And one more video, one more setting. Kumar user, I want to provide both AWS account. Okay, so I have provided initially, but I would like to provide Kumar user this one as well, right? So assign to user, you know about that operator, because operator user is part of the operator group. And which permission set you need to assign this, right? Okay, EC2 full access, but I would like to assign not EC2. Let me tell you, I would like to assign this AWS administrator access, right? Okay, and next, so for second account, you have a different permission set. Hope you got it. If we can select and different permission to different user accordingly, right? This is I would like to update you, right? And submit. I will show you. Now administrator access है. This is now EC2 full access है. That is the difference, right? I would like to show you, right? And if you guys like this video, I will show you login as well, right? Hold for a minute, right? And permission set, I have done that. Okay, and let me log in this account. Okay, and hold for a moment. Control C, Control Shift and Control V. This links is coming from the under the setting section. Okay, if you forget this links for all users, so that is coming from identity. This is the same link. You can modify accordingly because I've already modified. Okay, so now it is coming now. Because Kumar user, I think I haven't sign out, right? It is using. Let me do sign out first. Okay, okay, and I will do this. I don't know why it is not be sign out, guys. Just hold for a moment. Yes, guys, it is signed out. Okay, and go to the next, and check Kumar is already. I have added some keyword inside this, right? Initially, and sign in. Then in initially one account, right? So we can give different permission set to different account level. So that is possible. It is easy to full access first account. I have added this AWS administration full access, right? Guys, I will create these type of the scenarios with using Windows 80 authentication with domain based. But right now I cannot do that because it is involve a domain cost and AWS AD directory cost. Okay, so this is the scenario how the things are working fine in the production. And I hope you like this video. Kindly do share and subscribe, and I will create you more insightful videos as per the production. And thank you guys, thanks for watching.